Protection is key to any four-wheel drive, ensuring that your four-wheel drive is more functionable and well protected when going off-road, and also increasing the looks of your overall vehicle. So today we're going to install one on my Suzuki Jimny. Let's go! Alright guys, so this is the current setup on my Suzuki Jimny. The front end is pretty much stock. Besides the different grille I put on, this is the factory plastic bumper that comes on all Jimnys. Very little protection, you cannot mount a winch. Today I'm just going to add something a bit more functional and it has a bit more protection as well, especially when I go off-roading and when I start using this car in real off-road conditions. So we're going to start replacing this bumper and tear it out of the car and replace it with what's on the ground down there. So what's this one? Nuts and bolts. So all these are all the brackets, all the brackets, the nuts. This one is a grill, I think. Alright guys, check this out. This is the latest and newest modification added to my car today. This is the ARB Summit Bull Bar winch bar. So this is going to go on my car. It's going to make it 10 times more rugged. I have the ability to mount a winch inside this bull bar. I can mount lights also to this bull bar. This is just going to change the overall look and appearance of the car and give it that extra protection whenever I'm out camping and off-roading with my car. I cannot wait to install this, and let's gather some of the boys to install it right now. Let's go, man. One more thing that I'm going to be installing on my car today is some of these rigid lights. So these are just loaner ones that I want to try and test out, see how they do in the dark. Well, I never tested out rigid products before, so it's going to be my first experience. I'm going to wire this into the car later. Alright guys, check this out. We got the front bumper off already. Looks very funny. Looks like it's yelling at me, you see? Eh? Now we are doing one of the more scarier part installing this bull bar. It's drilling the holes in the chassis, so we need to make some of these holes a little bit bigger so we can clear the new brackets. Alright guys, so like this minus 10,000 ringgit off my car value. Most of the parts that came in the box is already on the bull bar, just the brackets, some of the plates. This is the grill. When you do get the grill, you need to cut it to size so it can fit flushly with the bull bar. This is a small little door to open so you can reach for your winch, your free spool. This is for your license plate. This is the bracket. They come with already some signals, extra signals for the front of your car, so more visible when you're on the road. And then you're going to use back your factory fog lamp. So this is the factory bumper. This is the original fog lamp. So you're just going to use this back onto that bull bar. This is the current progress on the car. So these are the brackets that hold the bull bar. So this one mounts directly to the frame of your car. You need to do some drilling. So there are about 12 nuts for both sides that you need the torque that is very sturdy to the car. This is gonna withstand the weight of the big bull bar there. Okay, so what's going on this side, bro? So what are you guys doing? Wiring the spotlight.
Spotlight dengan backlight.
So this one is for fuse.
Fuse ini relay. Relay
Okay.
for light.
For light. Oh, and then this one direct go to battery.
Ni direct go battery.
Okay.
Ni direct go spotlight.
Good for this guy. Wiring expert. This one also wiring expert. The guys here are doing the wiring job now. So they are doing the wire direct to the battery, hook up all the fuses and relays, and then lead some of the wire into the cab so I can have a switch. This is for the spotlights. Need to do some wiring for the turn signals as well later on.
Power lah bang.
Power ah? Really power ah bro? You think really power ah? See, even YouTubers do their own work, correct?
Yeah. The manual said 44 only
44 only. Okay, so this is 44 Nm of torque.
Yeah.
See, not going anywhere. Drilling some holes so we can set the bull bar in place. Like a glove, bro. Cool. Alright, now the fog lamp is gonna go back on. Bro, can I ask you a question bro?
Yes.
You install many times ARB bull bar? Many times?
Yes.
Which car is the hardest to install, most difficult?
I think the Ford one
Ford Ranger.
Ford Ranger new next gen.
Then Jimny very easy.
Very easy.
Very easy.
Don't need to cut just
Oh, don't need to cut bumper.
cabut then you pasang and then dah.
Alright guys, so we got the bull bar already mounted on, all the lights and accessories all done up already, all the plates and everything. Now all we need to do is to chop these inner fenders a bit so that it will go flush together with the bull bar. Bye bye. RM5 bro, RM5 Yeah. Hey, come on.
Michael Jordan.
Hey Johnson, how to control the spotlight? So this is my switch, correct?
Press on.
Off. And then the other one?
The other one is the backlight with another one.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Johnson. Alright guys, so that's a wrap. Now we got the rigid lights on and the ARB bull bar. Shout out to 4Drive Equipment. You can check them out. Thank you everyone! Whoa, check this out guys. This is the final look on my Jimny with the ARB Summit Bull Bar, and it just looks so good. The overall bar itself just complements the boxiness of the car, making it 10 times more tough and 10 times more rugged. The Bull Bar itself still can use back all of the original accessories like the front headlight washer, the front fog lights. There are now external signals as well, extra signals to make sure you are safe on the road. The bar just gives you that extra protection whenever you are going off-roading and on-road driving as well. I have the ability to put a winch, so this is probably my next project is to add an electric winch to the front of this car so I can take it to even more tougher track. Up in the front, I got some 2 spotlights. These are the rigid 360 series lights. I tested the other day at night and wow, they were just day and night difference. You just turn on the switch, you turn on the spotlight and you can see super far ahead. And what's cool about these lights is that they have an ambient light feature inside of them as well. So you can choose what color you want. This one is red, but I love the overall look of it. The overall finishing of it is also super high quality and I just can't wait to test it out. I'd like to give a massive shout out to 4Drive Equipment for supplying me this Bull Bar. If you guys are ever looking to equip your 4Drive with some proper off-road equipment, you can go for them. They got Bull Bars, winches, lights, roof racks, camper accessories, anything to fit out your 4Drive, they got you. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell guys. We are trying to grow a community sharing the lifestyle of off-road vehicles, camping and adventures. I'll catch you in my next adventure, so stay tuned. Bye bye guys.